Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, we will be doing another unbagging, and I'm really excited about this one because it's a new subscription to the channel. So if you guys would really like to see what came in this bag, isn't that so pretty and cute? Just keep on watching. Okie dokie, thank you for coming and joining me for this video. I'm sure it won't be too long, but it would be interesting to see this one because it's a fairly cheap subscription and with high quality items in it. So let's read up a little bit about this subscription before we hop into the bag. This is from HEAVENPANTY. You can go to heavenpanty.com in order to order it. You can get one panty underwear with free shipping for $4.99 a month. $4.99 a month. That is a crazy price. Or you can get two underwear in 1 month with free shipping for $8.99 a month. What a crazy, ridiculous deal. So they personalize your underwear. They ask you what panty style you like, the cut you like, the color you like, and the size that you need. I took this survey myself, and the amount of different things they ask you to make sure that they give you what you're wanting was kind of crazy to me. I didn't know, like, companies normally don't go that in depth to make sure they're sending you exactly what you want. I mean, except for BoxyCharm and Ipsy, but they don't really follow that very well. Let's see how well this company does with their survey. So again, here is the packaging. Very discreet. It doesn't say like, here's your underwear subscription. It just says Heaven Tech Fulfillment. So let's open her up. Okie dokie. And I don't think it matters if this is like February's bag or not, because everybody's subscription is going to be different because it's going to be based on your subscription and what you like in a pair of underwear. Gone are the days of digging into piles of panties to find what you desire. I do that often. HEAVENPANTY curates personalized panties delivered to your door at an affordable price. Returns. Not 100% satisfied with your HEAVENPANTY? Initiate your return here, and then they give you a return website. For sizing instructions and how to update your size, please visit the link below, and it gives you a link for sizing. They also sent me a complimentary tape measure to be able to make sure I have the correct size. This comes with your first subscription. Any changes to your panty preferences, you can retake your quiz anytime using the link below. It's just profile HEAVENPANTY. To ensure the perfect wash of your HEAVENPANTY, please visit the link below to check if you're washing your underwear correctly to make sure they last the longest. I think that is so cool. And the fact that they give you this tape measure to make sure you're getting the correct size is so nice and thoughtful. Because, hello, you don't have to just use this for the subscription. Like, of course, it's helpful knowing that you're getting the correct size of underwear that you need specifically, but you can use this for all kinds of different things. Don't know how, what about, if you're like me and you have trouble finding the correct bra size, hello, but you don't like having the people at the store check your size for you, boom, check it at home. Kill two birds with one stone. I think that's really cool. And then this is what the bag looks like with your chonies in there. It looks like you already get a sneak peek of what color they will be. I did put down that my favorite color was red. Oh my gosh. What a great presentation. Oh my God. I found my new favorite pair of chonies. Wow, you guys, those are freaking beautiful. These are size 2XL. Let's see the stretch on them, shall we? Oh yeah, those will be comfortable. Oh, I'm gonna feel super sexy in these. Wow. Oh yes, my new favorite chonies. Alrighty, you guys. So again, $4.99 for one pair of chonies every month, free shipping. These came really, really fast. After I finished my quiz and them being shipped to me, it was only, I really want to say less than a week. It was really fast. So what do you guys think about this subscription? Leave all of your thoughts and comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. And until next time, bye.